Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the huge Next.js 16 update. And trust me, I can't believe they changed this. Next.js 16 just dropped on October 21st, 2025, enhancing performance and improving the developer experience. This release is a game changer. From TurboPack to faster server actions, improved React server components, and more flexible data fetching. TurboPack is now the default bundler, offering 2 to 5 times faster production builds and up to 10 times faster fast refresh. It also supports file system caching in development, storing compiler artifacts for faster compile times. Built-in support for the React compiler is now stable, automatically memoizing components and reducing unnecessary re-renders. Next.js 16 introduces cache components designed to make caching more explicit and flexible using the new Use Cache directive. This allows developers to cache pages, components, and functions, with the compiler automatically generating cache keys. The routing and navigation system has been completely overhauled to make page transitions faster and leaner. Layout deduplication reduces network transfer size by downloading shared layouts only once when prefetching multiple URLs. Incremental prefetching ensures only parts of the page not already in the cache are fetched, enhancing efficiency and speed. The update also includes improved caching APIs, such as update tag for read your rights semantics and revalidate tag for better cache management. Next.js DevTools (MCP) integrates AI-assisted debugging, offering contextual insights into routing, caching, and rendering behavior. This provides unified logs, automatic error access, and page awareness, enabling AI agents to diagnose issues effectively. React 19.2 is included, bringing features like view transitions for animating elements during navigation, and use effect event for extracting non-reactive logic from effects. It also introduces activity for rendering background activity, enhancing the dynamic capabilities of your applications. Next.js 16 provides multiple ways to fetch data, including pre-rendering with server-side rendering or static generation, and updating content at runtime with incremental static regeneration. Server components allow parts of the user interface to be rendered on the server, reducing initial page load time and improving performance. They also enable direct data access and keep sensitive data secure by executing logic on the server. Server actions are asynchronous functions executed on the server, used in server and client components to handle form submissions and data mutations. For client-side fetching, data is fetched directly in the component using React's built-in hooks like useEffect and useState. Libraries like React Query and SWR can further help manage client-side data fetching, providing robust solutions. Migration to Next.js 16 requires mandatory version updates. Node.js minimum is now 20.9.0, and TypeScript minimum is 5.1.0. Node.js 18 is no longer supported, so ensure your development environment meets these new requirements. Breaking changes include updates to async params and next image defaults, requiring adjustments in existing codebases. The experimental partial pre-rendering flag and configuration options have been removed in favor of the new cache components configuration. Deprecated features like AMP support and the old middleware.ts paradigm have also been removed, streamlining the framework. Next.js 16 offers improved performance with faster build times, leaner page transitions, and optimized caching. It provides an enhanced developer experience through clearer debugging, simpler setup, and more explicit caching mechanisms. Better security is achieved with server components and server actions, helping to keep sensitive information secure on the server. Finally, more flexible caching is now available with explicit opt-in cache components, giving developers greater control. We've looked at what's new, what's improved, and what you need to change in your existing Next.js projects. But first, let's talk about that one update that surprised everyone. Yes, the complete overhaul in routing and rendering logic. The Next.js team just made a bold move, and it's going to change the way we think about SSR and static builds forever. Stay tuned till the end. I'll show live examples, migration tips, and whether you should update your production apps right now or wait for stability. Let's jump straight into Next.js 16, the biggest update yet, offering incredible advancements for web developers.